This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Daniel.parrish. Completely remodeled townhome is ready to move in. 2 bedrooms and 2 baths features updated kitchen, granite in kitchen, newer appliances, LVP flooring, fireplace surround, sliding door, updated bathrooms, interior and exterior painted and fenced in backyard with 1 storage area. Deck, front porch, wonderful community and a great place to call home. Want to live close to the beach at a good price with no fees? Close to dog parks and biking paths for easy access to the oceanfront. For more information, review the details below.